Okay, so this is the North Face website. This is the homepage. It is January 11th, 2025. So let's take a look. We have some women's Arctic parka for 350. We have a men's for 400. We have a men's waterproof boots for 159 on the homepage. What else do we have? So let's take a look at. Oh, you have some snowboarders here, skiers, Blake Paul on the homepage. And then you can sign up for updates. So it looks like this might take a while for us to browse. They do give discounts on the bottom of this homepage. You'll see teacher, military, nurse, student discount. So if you click on it, let's see, it's probably like 15, maybe 20%, 10%. So it's 10%. You can verify your student status here. All right, let's go to women's. Let's shop the jackets. So we have some puffer jackets. $330. This is $350. Top seller for $250. This is a down parka for $300. $280. I know in the outlets they have like half off, so keep that in mind when you are shopping for a North Face coat on the website. You can find some good deals at the outlets. So on the website, you got a few things on sale. You do have a sales section over here, so you can find some good sales online. That's inexpensive, a $21 hat. You have a sweatshirt pullover for $75, $42 for a men's pullover hoodie. And then you have these long sleeve shirts, short sleeve shirts for $21. Thermal zip. All right, so let's go look at some of the best sellers for men's. You have this jacket for $200, down hoodie. Let's sort high to low. All right, $450. Gore-Tex jacket. Then you have this, that's very nice, that hoodie for $430. This looks very warm. That parka for $400. And then going down, I like those pants. Those are very nice. $170 for men. So take a look at these pants. And they do come in different colors. Lifetime guarantee and free returns. That's great. And then you have a whole bunch of customer reviews. They do have a kids section. And the quality is absolutely amazing. You guys, if you don't have, I had two North Face coats in the past. Very warm. One with like a fleece lining, waterproof shell. And then, you can wear one or the other. It was like, you can zip it apart, put them back together. So there's a nice, cute kids section over here. Add your photo. I just saw add your photo. So that's this is cute. The toddler boots for $55. Very nice. All right, so they do have sales, bags and gears. They have backpacks, technical packs, luggage and duffel bags, tents, sleeping bags, blankets. Here are some very warm. Take a look at these sleeping bags. Those look, I love that teal color. So they have facts. They have a ton of information on their website. They have a section for renewed, about us, and then they also have a sale tab. So here is the renewed website where you can shop. You can do a trade-in. I'm going to go back. Going to go back down here. All right, so we have equipment, footwear by activity. They have gift cards. They have a help section where they even have live chat about us. So if you're doing North Face as your research project, you just want to start at About Us. You'll probably have some history, our journey. You might have some videos here. Take the journey. Let's click on history. So it looks like we have to click on our journey. So in 1966, to 1969, named for the most challenging side of the mountain, the North Face, has equipped explorers since 1966 to reach their dreams, driven by the mantra of never stop exploring. Very nice. So the North Face, hence the name. So it gives you some history from the name. And then you click on the trail is forever, 1990s. Oh, so I'm kind of like skipping. They have years in between this. So you got to go through each year. Oh, wow. So the history is quite detailed, especially when you get after the 2010. I was just there. I don't know what happened. Uh-oh. 2010, 2013, 2013, 2014. Yeah, so here, a ton of information. Then there's a whole bunch of links that you can click on. Very informative. So that was the About Us section. Then you have technology and innovation, explore stories, you have athletes, you have the Explore Fund. So there's a lot of information on this website. How to choose a sleeping bag, very informative educational content here. The best hiking boot lacing techniques. These are great. Looks good. All right, so then you have Discover section, women's hoodies, kids rainwear. So for some, rain jacket, $80 for kids. This is actually nice. I like that. That's cute. It comes so 6 to 12 months. This is a baby rain jacket for $70. Very nice. I like that. All right. What else we have? So live chat. We went through that. All right. The discounts. Help section. All right. So careers. I think, did we do careers? Where's careers? Careers. And then we're going to look at the YouTube and then the Instagram. So they have a huge website for careers. Their headquarters, benefits. I love how they have links for their benefits. Corporate and retail. So they have where you can separate it. Retail positions, perks and benefits, medical, dental, up to half off. Oh, that's great. This is the first website review I've done that actually tells you the employee discount. So it's half. That's great. That's amazing. They even have commuter options. They have door coffee. What is this? Oh, wow. Running paths. Very nice. Okay, you can learn more about the benefits. I love how they post the benefits on the website. And then you can even browse corporate. Let's go look at the retail positions. Floor supervisor, Fifth Ave. Let's click on that in New York. Full-time. Scroll down. It will give us what do they require, job description, and then the hiring range. I love it. They give you $20 to $30 per hour. This is for the floor supervisor on Fifth Avenue, New York City. You can easily apply by clicking here. You can autofill with resume. You can apply manually. Let's click on apply manually and see what happens. So it brings us to in-house, looks like their website where we create an account and then you kind of go through there. All right, sounds good. So you can do that. If you're interested in applying for a job, we can go back to corporate now, corporate positions, and let's see what they have available. So looks like we have Denver, Colorado, a senior pattern maker. Here we have another position. There's one, the Bay Hub, Asia, USA, Texas, Cherry Creek, Colorado, Maryland, sales associate. Brand marketing. All right, so let's look at the manager, brand marketing. Full-time. Eight plus years of experience, study or working experience in other countries is a plus. Willing to travel. As far as salary, I don't see it. I don't see it listed. Let's try to find another one. 4-month contract. We want a full-time. We don't want retail. I want something in, maybe we can check marketing, merchandising, legal, finance, admin, supply chain, view jobs. All right, let's take a look at the senior pattern maker in Denver, Colorado. Here we go. So we do have a salary. So that starts $95,000 to $118,000 a year. That's good. And then we can, let's see what operations manager in Kentucky. Let's see that salary range, $72,000 to $90,000. I love that they list the salary range, the hiring range, which is great. Senior materials coordinator and footwear. Also $69,000 to $87,000 a year. So very detailed. I love this website. I love how they list the salary. Job description, very detailed. And then I like how they separate it, you know, with the corporate as opposed to, let me go back. Where am I? As far as retail. Back to the, limitless. I'm on this corporation. Let me go back. All right, and then, last thing we're gonna do, let's go check out the YouTube. So we are subscribed. This is the North Face YouTube channel with 534,000 subscribers, 515 videos. And then we'll take a look if they have their links here for Instagram. They do. And then we have the North Face Instagram account with 5.4 million followers, over 2,000 posts. So let's see what they're posting. Very nice pictures. Love it. I love the snowboarding pics, the skiing. Oh, I love that picture. Very nice. Looks great. All right. Thanks for watching. Till next time.